Welcome back to my channel. This is Life of Bintu. My name is Fatima and I am about to do my hair. Y'all know I had the silk press in, but now it's time to do my hair. I'm about to do some Marley twist with the curls at the end. I had it before, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it again and like just get a little bit of the process while I do it, and then I'll show you guys the ending result because I gotta go wash my hair. Y'all, my hair is, it's, well, to me it's dirty. Like, you see that a little bit? Little dry scalpy on it. Let it on. But yeah, look at my edges growing. Oh, I know that's right. Well, I'll see you guys in a second. So let me talk to y'all real quick. When I tell you guys I was so exhausted, I was so tired doing my hair. Y'all can see by the way I'm blow drying my hair, I already was tired. But that's not even it. I had to stop doing my hair to do my client hair. You know, my client comes first because she booked me first. I could have did my hair a different day, but I was going somewhere. So you know, y'all know how that goes. I had to get my life together. But yeah, y'all keep watching because this the most. This too much. I'm supposed to be showing y'all a video how I'm doing my hair, and I'm over here cleaning and doing the most. Girl, get back to doing this hair so you can show people how you did these twists, honey. Now I am about to, what am I doing? Oh, I'm about to go get the hair and show y'all the hair that I used to. Ooh. My hair feels amazing. This clean scalp, guys. Like, what? Look at this clean scalp. Clean. Girl, you are not even that tired. Relax, relax. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using. All right. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. This is how it looks. Ouch. Once I take it out the pack. So this is how it looks, right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair and get it together. I'll be right back. done, guys. I love it. Love my hair. So now that my hair is done, of course I had to go get me some food because it's not like me if I don't get some food. So this is my homegirl. We went out and we got something really good to drink. Well, I didn't drink, but I got something good to eat. She got something good to drink and eat. And the food was good per usual. I really didn't like her salmon bites like that, but the catfish bites. I really didn't like it, but I love my little honey mustard and my fry, my little French fry. And I had the wrap, the chicken Caesar wrap. So good. So good each and every time. All right, later.